Take a single sheet of paper, fold it in half, now again, and again. Simple question. If you could fold it 42 times, how tall would the stack be? A book? A house? A skyscraper? The real answer is insane. It would reach the moon. One sheet of paper, 42 folds, 384,000 kilometers. Your brain refuses to believe it, so let's watch the numbers do it. Here's the trick your intuition misses. Each fold doesn't add paper, it doubles the thickness. A sheet is about 1/10 of a millimeter. Fold 1, 2 layers. Fold 2, 4. Fold 3, 8. Fold 4, 16. Fold 5, 32. The numbers tick upward quietly. After 10 folds, you have over 1,000 layers, already the height of your hand. Your mind was adding. Reality was multiplying. That's the whole illusion. Watch what doubling does now. Fold 17, taller than a house. Fold 23, past a skyscraper. Fold 30, 100 kilometers. You've left the atmosphere. Fold 42, 440,000 kilometers, past the moon. Nothing got bigger fast until suddenly everything did. That sudden explosion at the end is exponential growth. It looks flat, boring, harmless, and then it isn't. This is the same hidden number behind compound interest, viral posts, and pandemics. Small, doubling, ignored, until it overwhelms everything. We're wired to think in straight lines. The universe often runs on doubling. So here's the hidden pattern. Doubling feels like nothing until it feels like everything. Exponential growth hides in the boring beginning. That's entry 3 in the archive. And if a number that hides at the start blew your mind, wait until a single door choice bends probability against your intuition. Entry 1. I'll see you inside the archive.